Happy morning all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangle Pankaj. Today we are learning here EVS second. Our chapter's name is Shivaji's childhood. Since 3-4 days we are learning this chapter. Now today it's our fourth session. In this we are going to learn Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. In this we are going to learn Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. Yesterday we have learned founding of New Nizam Shahi. Founding of New Nizam Shahi. In this we saw that Shahaji Raje established New Nizam Shahi, but Mughals and Adil Shah, in front of these two people, Shahaji Raje sustained his war, and Shahaji Raje could not sustain this war, and so he signed a treaty peace with Mughals. So now, what was his New Nizam Shahi's part? New Nizam Shahi. New Nizam Shahi. That was divided into Mughals and Adil Shah because both were fighting with Shahaji Raje. Okay, so we will see what they did of this. Now see. First, put your index finger there. Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. After the downfall of the Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughals and Adil Shah among themselves. Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's share. He gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Now Shahaji Raje joined the Adil Shahi service. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering the territories in the distant Karnataka. Far away from Pune, sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. This much we will see. See, after the downfall of Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, this Nizam Shahi, this one downfall, its territory was divided by Mughals and Adil Shah. Its territory was divided by Mughals and Adil Shah. So, Adil Shah got Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe. He got Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe. So, what he did, he gave that Jagir to Shahaji Raje return. Who gave? Adil Shah gave it return to Shahaji Raje again. He gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Now Shahaji Raje joined the Adil Shahi services. So Shahaji Raje again joined the service of Adil Shah. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering. Conquering means to overcome the territories. What to overcome? To overcome another territories. Means to win another territories and join it to Adil Shahi. Then in distant Karnataka. And where it is? Far away, near in the Karnataka. Far away from Pune and far away from Pune, Karnataka. It is far away from Pune. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka. Departure means to leave that place. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka. When Shahaji Raje went to Karnataka, after some time, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. And after some time, Shivaji and Jijabai, they also joined Shahaji Raje in Karnataka. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra had been very hectic. We have seen in last lesson also, this lesson also, that Shivaji's childhood was very hectic because those days were very unsettled days. He and Jijabai had to rush continuously from one fort to another. So Jijabai and Shivaji, they had to rush from one fort to another fort, that fort to another fort. So at that time, young Shivaji used to hear the stories of brave deeds of his father, and at that time Jijabai used to tell him his father's stories, his father's brave stories to Shivaji. Jijabai and Shivaji got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Now, when Jijabai and Shivaji arrived in Karnataka, they got some peace. Peace means calmness they got. Jijabai and Shivaji got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore, and Adil Shah awarded him. Now Adil Shah awarded him. Him means, who knows for what purpose this pronoun in use? Him, for Shahaji Raje. Very good. So Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore, and now Adil Shah awarded him Jagir of Bangalore, and Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarters, and then Shahaji Raje made this Bangalore city as his headquarters. He lived there with all the trappings of a king. Trappings means trappings means objects assigned with a particular situation. Means his outlook was as a king. So trappings of a king, and began to summon the court. Summon means to be present, and every day he used to present in court. He was present in court as a king. Okay, so do you understand? Shahaji Raje's work, Jijabai's work, and Shivaji's childhood. Understood? Okay, so here our chapter is completed. Our point is also completed, and chapter is also completed. So like yesterday, our homework is there. So same homework you will get at the last on the screen. So thanks for watching this video. Now you are going to read this lesson again and again at home. In next video we are going to see question answers. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.